If you want a fire alarm, he'll go onto eBay and find a fire alarm that he can afford. After he buys the fire alarm, his brother will want one too. And also his brother gives him some of his money. When he goes outside his front door, he finds a package at his doorstep. When his brother sees the package, he feels disappointed. He takes a nap to make him feel better. After his nap, he goes outside and finds a package for him. When he opens it up, it's his fire alarm that his brother ordered. After he's done unboxing the fire alarm, he gives the fire alarm a little test. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and that notifications bell. So anyways, guys, see you next time. Bye!